already have one eye already done, and I'll be using the Colourpop. It's a Super Shock shadow. It's like that color. I'll be using that on my lid, and for some of my other shades, I'll be using the Aphrodite palette. I'll be using the Seduction and Jealousy. These two colors here. I'm going to add that to my transition area. But first, before I even get started, I'm going in with the Revolutions, Makeup Revolutions Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm going to use the color, and this is in C12, and I'm gonna put that on my lid here. Pull my mirror over so I can stay in the screen. Okay, like I said, first I'm gonna go in with the Seduction and Jealousy color, and I'm gonna concentrate that in my crease area and up under my brow bone as well. And I did not add any setting powder to this because I want the colors to be a little bit really pigmented. So just really concentrate that on crease area, a little bit on my lid. And from here, I'm going into my Morphe's palette, the 15N light palette here. And I'm going into this purple shade Scene right here. And I'm going to concentrate on that just right in my crease area. And I'm using my Sigma Air blender, the F63 brush. I'm just bringing that up a little bit on my crease area, and then I'm concentrating down on my my outer corner and on my inner corner of my eye. With another color, which is I think it's Cliche, and it's all that same palette, and I'm going to be putting that on my lid area here. Now once I have all the all those shadows on my lid, I'm going in with the Colourpop Super Shock shadow, Issa. Or Issa, and I'm putting that on my lid. I'm using my finger because these shadows are really soft. It's really pigmented, and I'm just gonna concentrate that on my lid area. Kind of do a swiping type motion because, like I said, this is a very pigmented eyeshadow, and it's really soft. Go in with my little finger here. Kind of bring that up in my crease area a little bit. And basically I'm just trying to cover the whole lid with this color. It's really pretty though. Really like it. It has like a little bit of blue-green iridescent type color, and then I'm gonna put some of it on my bottom lid. I'm using my finger for this though. Whatever I have left over, I'm just using it. I put on my bottom lid because I also want to have some of that color down here as well. It may look a little messy now, but I will be cleaning it up though. I used a blue pigment on my lid, and from Mayo Makeup. I will have that in the description. And from here, and that's it as far as, you know, the colors I'm gonna add on to my lid base. I just added those 2 colors, and then from here I'm just gonna be blending this out a little bit in my crease area to kind of blend it all and make the color look seamless. Okay, and from here I'm gonna just clean this up just a tad bit. With a makeup wipe. And as far as my inner crease color go, I'm gonna use a color from the Aphrodite palette. I think I'm going in with the color Tease from my inner corner to brighten this up a little bit. Didn't know if I should use like a brighter purple or like a lavender type color, but I think this will do. Okay, so far I have my eyes done, and yeah, I think that's all I got. And the only thing I have left now is my foundation. I'm going to be using the Clinique foundation, and this is in DG Silk Sable. It's not terribly too matte. It's an okay foundation. It's a little bit red for me, but I figure I just try to use it on up here. And my face is already primed. I end up using the Wish Botanical Primer right here. And I'm using a hourglass brush. It's very dense. I like dense brushes. They're pretty good. Once I put on my lighten up, probably look a little bit better. Next I'm gonna use a Avon's True Color concealer, and this is in Deep. I'm gonna use that up under my contour with and up under my eyes to brighten them up. This is it's kind of thick. I don't think it's matte. It don't seem that matte to me. It doesn't seem terribly too matte to me. It seems like it is kind of oily. But I think I am going to go in with the Makeup Revolution's concealer here. I'm going in with my foundation. I'm gonna use this as my contour. I'm using my Tarte setting, Amazon clay setting powder. I'll put in my eye area. And on my nose. And for my contour, I'm just going to use this NYX. Set right up under. First, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Vivid highlighter, and this is in the color Peach Lights. Then on top of that, I'm gonna use the Colourpop Super Shock K-Pop Glow Up. Put that on my nose area. And actually, I'm just going to kind of pat that highlight in a little bit. Yeah, I think I want to setting up my contour here. I'm using the Black Radiance. It's the pressed powder, but this is in the color Deep. Yeah, that's it. Using that for my highlight a little bit. Well, actually, it's my contour, I mean. Not my highlight. Okay, now I'm going to blush. I'm going to use the Black Radiance blush. And this is in Raspberry. I really like this color. Bring that up like that. Right on top of this highlight. Kind of calm it down a little, I guess. I think I want to add some more to it though. Trying to get it a pop to it. So my lip liner is going to be, I think this is called Dukes for my lip liner. For my lip topper, I'll be using the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip, and this is the Ellery X Colourpop collaboration, and this is in the shade Stilo. And this is good if you just don't want a, if you want just a little bit of color, just to kind of like a neutral type look. Great on any type of lip gloss or lipstick. And from there, I think that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and use this setting. It's not like a setting powder. It just you know, face mist, similar to the Mario Badescu, but it's hydro mist. But I really like it, and it's called Shrimp Pacifica. And it has these little crystals in the bottom of it. We spraying it.